Hi, my dear student. Today we're gonna take the subject of find the area or finding the area of regular and irregular compound shapes. So first thing to know is how to find the area of regular compound shapes. The compound shapes, these are the shapes which we are know, which is a triangle or square or trapezoid or rectangle. These are the regular shape. So the compound shape are the shape which are composed or combining of two regular shapes. So to find the area of regular compound shape, we have many ways, or is depending on the shape and what he want in the question. So in example number 1, as we see in this figure, we have a pool. The small rectangular inside the big one is a pool. Okay? Its dimension is 1 meter and 3 meter. And outside of the pool, around the pool, we have a path. This is the path. Okay? Its dimension is 2 meter and 4 meter. He wants to find the area of path. So we have to find the area of shadow, the shadow shape. Okay, which is the path. But we can't find directly the area of path. So to find or to get the area of path, we have first thing we have to find the area of a small rectangular, the pole, which is a small rectangular. Okay. So first thing to do, find the area of rectangular or the pole. Then find the area of the big rectangular, including the small one. That's meaning all this is the big rectangular. So the area, or to get the area of the path, we will subtract the area of a small rectangular, which is the pole, from the area of the whole place or the big rectangular. Okay. طلابنا الأعزاء، في هذا المثال يطلب من عندنا إيجاد مساحة هذا المكان اللي هو الممر. في الشكل في الكتاب يقول إنه المستطيل الصغير هو مسبح أو حوض السباحة، ودائما يعني على ما يدور الحوض هناك ممر أبعاده 2 متر و4 متر، وحوض السباحة أبعاده متر في 3 أمتار. مطلوب إيجاد مساحة الممر، فقط مساحة الممر. فلذلك إحنا ما نقدر مباشرة نجد مساحة الممر. شلون نجد مساحة الممر؟ نتبع الخطوات الآتية. نعتبر المنطقة كلها مستطيل كبير، نجد مساحة المستطيل اللي هي الطول في العرض 2 في 4، راح تطلع لنا المساحة. بعدين نعتبر الحوض هو باعتباره مستطيل آخر مستطيل الصغير including inside the big one، مستطيل صغير يعني داخل الكبير، بس ما لنا علاقة، راح تكون مساحة هذا فقط إذا نجده. أيضا باستخدام قانون المستطيل اللي هو 3 في 1 راح تطلع 3. بعدين نطرح مساحة المستطيل الصغير من الكبير، راح تطلع لنا مساحة الممر فقط. مفهوم يا طلاب؟ So the solution will be like this. First thing, find the area. First thing is finding the area of pool. And since the pool is rectangular, so use the area of rectangular, law of area of rectangular, A of pool. Okay? Will be length by width. Length is 3 by width 1, so it is equal 3 by 1 is 3 meter to the power 2. Now after finding the area of pool, we will find the area of whole place. Also by using the area of rectangular. Why? Because it is look like rectangular. Area equal length by width. 2 by 4 equal 8 meter to the power 2. So the area of path, as we say, we get the area of path by subtracting the area of pole from the area of whole place, so we get the area of path, only the path, equal is area of pole minus the whole area, area minus the area of pole which is equal 8 minus 3, 5 meter to the power 2. This is the area of pole, of path. Now in a question or an example 2 also we have to calculate the area of compound shape. As I said previously, we don't have a basic to find or to solution this kind of question. It's depending on the question and the shapes or compound shapes of question and what did he want in the question. So in this question, to find the area of path, we subtract the area of a small rectangular from the area of big one. So it's still the area of path. Now in this question, he told us to calculate the area of compound shape. This shape, we have this shape. How to find the area of this shape? We know previously the kind of trapezoid. We have 3 kinds of trapezoid, as we say. The isosceles trapezoid and the non-isosceles or not isosceles trapezoid and the right angle trapezoid. Here, if we put a 9 here, so we divided the shape into the compound shape. We divided the compound shape, this compound shape, we divided it into 2 shapes, 2 simple shapes. Okay? As we say in the definition, we will divide the compound shape into 2 simple shapes. So we can calculate its area. The first one, let's say A1 is the first shape, which is a trapezoid, right angle trapezoid. The second one is rectangular. Let's name it A2. So to find area of whole shape, we will find the area of the plane R1 or area A1 and the area A2, and we will make addition for the result. And since A1 is right angle trapezoid, so we will use the area, the law of area of trapezoid. A1 equal 1 over 2 multiplied by A plus B by height. A is the upper base and B is the lower base and H is the height. So here we have the upper base is 3. So substituting the value of A and B and H, A is the upper base, which is 3. Okay? And B is the lower base, which is 7. Multiplying by H is 2. 7 plus 3 equal 10. Here we have a shortcut or deleting, or 10 over 2, 5. So 5 by 2 equal 10, or delete this one the same. Centimeter to the power 2 is the area A1. Now, and A2 is rectangle. So we will use the area of rectangle to find the law of area of rectangle to find A2, which is length by width. And here we have the length is 5 or 6, multiplying by width, then it is equal 13 centimeter to the power 2. So the area of all compound shape A equal A1 plus A2, 10 plus 13, which is equal 40 centimeter to the power 2 is the area of the whole compound shape. And by this way, we can find any compound shape, regular compound shape, by dividing the shape into two simple shapes. And here we divided the shape to find the area of path, as we said previously, divided the shape into two rectangular shapes. And here we divided the shape into trapezoid and rectangle. And that this way we will solve the other questions. After this, now we will take how to find or calculate the area of irregular compound shapes. The irregular compound shapes is composed of two simple irregular shapes or more than two irregular shapes. So to find its area, we divided the shape into two simple regular shapes, which is near to the original shape. That's meaning if we have an irregular shape, to find its area, we make a shape as a shape that regular shape that near to the original shape. The result will be the result of calculating the shape will be as approximate value of a regular shape. يعني الأشكال المركبة الغير منتظمة أو الغير منظمة طلاب حتى نجد مساحتها. طبعا ممكن أن تقسم إذا كانت مركبة من عدة أشكال، ممكن أن تقسم إلى هذه الأشكال، والأشكال اللي نقسمها عليها بحيث تكون قريبة من الشكل الأصلي. مثلا ايش اقصد انه تكون قريبة من الشكل الأصلي؟ مثلا هذا الشكل هنا بالمثال عندنا عملة نقدية، الشكل غير منتظم، لا هي دائرة لا هي مثلث، بس هي أقرب إلى المثلث، فلذلك صنفناها إلى شكل مثلث منتظم. So the result will be as approximate value of a regular shape. يعني ناتج المساحة مال المثلث راح تكون قيمة تقريبية لمساحة العملة النقدية. So to find the area of the coin, we make an isosceles triangle. Its legs 13 and the base is 10 and its height is 10 centimeter. Its height is 12, sorry, not 10. So to find the area of the coins approximately, we make, as we said, or divide the shape into regular shape near to the original shape, and the result will be approximately to the irregular shape of the irregular shape. Sorry. So the area equal the area of triangle half multiplying by base multiplying by height. Its base is 10 and its size is 12. 10 over 2 equal 5, or we will divide it with the 12, then 6 by 10 equals 60 centimeter to the power 2 is the area approximately. So as we say, the result will be approximate value of a regular shape. The area approximately يعني المساحة تكون بصيغة أو عدد أو قيمة تقريبية. في الشكل الآتي هسه انتهينا من هذاك الموضوع، راح ناخذ مثال هنا. عندنا شكل، شوفوا طلاب، شكل شبيه بالمستطيل، تمام؟ هو يشبه المستطيل بس بأطرافه بالعرض أو بالطول هنا بتقوسات، واضح يعني؟ زين أشلون نجد مساحته؟ أول شيء انتبهوا يا طلاب، نفرض أن الشكل راح يكون مستطيل. طبعا منطق هذا الارتفاع هو 4 سنتيمتر أو طول، والعرض ماله 12 سنتيمتر. أوكي؟ زين. To find the area of the shape, we set the shape, the basic shape, as a rectangle. Its length is 4 centimeter and its width is 12 centimeter. نعمل الشكل أو نقرب الشكل إلى شكل منتظم قلنا اللي هو مستطيل. شنو هو المستطيل؟ طوله هنا 12 سنتيم. واضح طلاب؟ نفس السؤال حليناه قبل ذاك من الأشكال المنتظمة، راح نعتبره هذا مستطيل طوله عرضه عفوا 12 وطوله 4 سنتيمات. زين، مساحته هي راح تكون مساحة مستطيل بس عندنا لازم ناقص منه هنا وهنا، نصف دائرة بنصف دائرة، فراح تكون مساحة دائرة. اوكي؟ The area of shape. The area of shape will be the area of rectangle minus half of area and half of area, and they are make one circle. Half of circle with a half of circle, which they made one circle. So the area of shape will be area of rectangular minus the area of circle. A1 minus A2, where A1 is area of rectangle and A2 area A2 will be, as we say, area of 2 half of circle is area of 2 halves of circle, which is equal area of circle, which is equal area of circle. That's meaning the A2. Okay? Why? Because the whole area is the area of rectangular minus half of area of circle and half of area of circle. These two halves are equal area of one circle. So, to find the area of A1, the area of A1 we set it as a rectangle, which is length by width. Length is 4, multiplying by width is 12. 84 centimeter to the power 2. And A2 equal, as we say, it's area of circle, so we use the law of area of circle. Pi multiplying by r to the power 2. نصف القطر تربيع في النسبة الثابتة. قانون الدائرة. Pi is 3.14. And r to the power 2, this is the radius, the diameter. Okay, the whole diameter. So r will be الR هي القطر هو نصف القطر هو نص القطر مثل ما أقول. It's half of diameter. The radius is the half of diameter. So 4 over 2 equal 2. This is the radius. Then it will be 2 to the power 2. That's meaning 3.14 multiplying by 4. 4 by 4, 16. 6 and to the power 1. 4 by 1, 4 and 5, 6. 4 by 3, 12. And we have 2 digits, then we make 2 digits here. Then the area of the shape equal A1, which is the area of a rectangle, minus A2, which is the area of circle. So 48 minus 12.56, which is equal we have to put point and 2 zeros to equal the digits after the decimal fraction. Then it will equal 84 minus 12 equal 35.656 centimeter to the power 2. Why? Because we make like this. Point, we equal the digits after the decimal fraction. 0 minus 6, it couldn't be. 0 minus 6, then this will be 7 and 4.10. And this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, right? And 10 minus 5, 4. 10 minus 5, 4, yes. And 7 minus 5, minus 2 is equal 5. 4 minus 1 equal 3. This is equal the result of subtraction of A1 minus A2.